Welcome everyone to the Excel advanced session. On this session, we're going to see how to identify the duplicate transaction on the same Excel sheet. For example, if I have the same transaction twice and more than that, and if I want to identify the copy transaction, I can use some formula and we can do it really quick. For example, I have a list of some name here. So there's a lot of name, 168 people name is here. So I want to see, is there any name here is duplicated by chance or for any reason? So we need to identify that name, which one is duplicated. So we will use the conditional formatting formula in order to find the duplicate transaction. So let's have a look how can we do that. All we need to do, we need to select the row if we have the transaction more than one column. We can select the whole range, and after that we can click here conditional formatting. Once we have the conditional formatting, we can choose the option highlight cell rules, and from here we can choose the last one, duplicate value. As soon as we click that, that will tell us in which color we want to see the duplicated transaction. So we can say the red color. So if we press OK, all this duplicated value we have in this column, that will be red color. So you can see all of this name is duplicated. That's why it's showing twice. Now if I delete one, and the next one will be not red anymore. So let's see if I delete all of the duplicated transaction from this column, then after that there is no more duplicate. So we can see, if you try to find if there any transaction that is duplicated on the Excel sheet, you can always use this formula. If you want to clear the rules, after that you can do it the same way we have calculated or we have find the duplication. So all you need to do, we need to select the section again, and you go back to the conditional formatting, and after that you see the section is called clear the rules and clear the selected cell. If you do that, that all will be now unselected, and even there is a copy that will be not showing here anymore. So every time from the Excel sheet, if you try to find the duplicate figure, you can do that way.